Hi, my name is Bryn Montgomery and I'm the Spatial Agronomist, bringing you your gardening video blog of the week. Now this week I'd like to talk to you about native species. Now this is a hot topic in the environmental field as many people worry about the different plants and animals that might be coming into a certain area where you live and be affecting the natural ecosystem. In terms of gardening, this is very important in how your plants will grow and thrive in the different climate that you live in. Now for me, as I live in Colorado, there's much difference from those who might live in, say, Iowa, where a lot of my family is from. They're gifted with humidity, a lot of sun, a lot of moisture, and also very rich, dark soil. Here in Colorado, it's more of a semi-arid climate where the dirt is fairly dry, there's lack of humidity, and we get little to no precipitation relative to the middle of the country. So what you should be able to see is that there are different kinds of plants that will thrive in a garden under these different conditions. Now, as you might see, with many people trying to grow gardens nowadays, they're trying to add fertilizer, water every day as much as possible, just so they can create certain conditions so that you can have whatever kind of plant you want. But my recommendation is that maybe take a look in a book, ask your local florist, or go to a gardening center and ask essentially, well, what kind of plants are native to your area? For me, in Colorado, it might be yarrow. And what's so special about this is that these plants have already adapted to the type of climate that originates in your area. And so by planting and adding enough water or fertilizer, if that's the way you want to go, and providing the correct amount of sunlight, these will grow naturally without much effort. Now, if you have something, say, from another part of the country that would be considered a non-native species to your climate, then you might have to add a lot more water, a lot more fertilizer, just to make them even seem like they're growing in your garden. So the tip for this week, look at native plants and see how they can impact your garden and look beautiful, because every different part of the country, every different climate has its own unique, beautiful, and wonderful plants that thrive wherever you live.